Feiyu Pocket 3 Basic Tutorial. Preparation before use. Charge. Before using Feiyu Pocket 3 for the first time, we recommended you fully charge your pocket camera. You can separately charge both the pocket camera and remote controller. If the remote controller and pocket camera are connected via Type-C cable, you only need to charge the remote controller. The joystick will automatically charge the pocket camera at the same time. Install the micro SD card. Please insert the micro SD card before powering on. Pick up the pocket camera. Insert the memory card into the pocket camera as shown in the video. Connect the pocket camera and the optional remote controller. Connect with Type-C. Pick up the remote controller. Remove the Type-C port cover. Pick up the remote controller and pocket camera. Align the pocket camera dovetail groove with a sliding chute of the remote control handle. Slide along the chute to connect the Type-C port. Wireless connection. Separate the remote controller from the pocket camera. Now the handle and the camera will automatically complete the wireless connection. Power on. When the joystick and pocket camera are connected via Type-C cable, long press the power button of the remote controller to turn it on. The pocket camera will automatically power on too. If the remote controller is separated from the pocket camera, you need to turn on the pocket camera and joystick separately. Joystick. Move the joystick with your thumb to control the movement of the tilt and pan axis. Mode button. Switch the mode of the pocket camera. Click the mode button. Switch pan and tilt follow, PTF. FPV, pan, tilt, and roll follow, and pan follow, PF in turn. Recentering the camera. Double-click the mode button to recenter. Selfie mode. Switch to selfie mode by triple-clicking the trigger button. Long press the lock. Long press the trigger button to enter lock mode. Now, the gimbal will not follow your hand movements. Shutter button. Click the shutter button to take photos or record. And you can also click the shutter button to film. Long press shutter button to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi. Zoom button. Push up the zoom button to zoom in. Push down the zoom button to zoom out. Power button plus mode button, gimbal alignment. If you find that the lens is not level, you can use the gimbal alignment. Wait a moment and it will complete. Power button plus shutter button, camera reset. Press the power button plus shutter button at the same time. Camera parameters can be restored to factory settings. Thanks for watching.